Hello, investors. Are you ready to unlock the secrets to building lasting wealth and achieving financial freedom? In today's video, we're going to dive into the world of index fund investing, a proven strategy that has helped countless individuals turn their financial dreams into reality. Buckle up because we're about to reveal the top 7 index funds that could be the key to making you rich. Before we dive into the top picks, let's take a moment to appreciate the beauty of index funds. These investment vehicles, popularized by legendary investors like Warren Buffett, offer a simple yet powerful way to build wealth over the long term. By tracking broad market indices, index funds provide instant diversification and exposure to a wide range of companies, minimizing risk and maximizing potential returns. But that's not all. Index funds also offer low fees, transparency, and a hands-off approach to investing. Unlike actively managed funds that require constant monitoring and decision-making, index funds allow you to sit back and let the market work its magic, while you focus on living your life to the fullest. Top 7 index funds that will make you rich. 1. ARC Automation and Robotics, ETF, RQQ. With AI and automation revolutionizing industries worldwide, this fund offers exposure to the cutting-edge technologies shaping the future. 2. Vanguard S&P 500 ETF, VOO. This fund provides a low-cost way to invest in some of the most well-established and successful companies in the U.S. market. 3. Invesco S&P 500 Equal Weight ETF, RSP. By weighting each company equally, this fund mitigates the impact of a few large companies dominating the portfolio. 4. SPDR S&P Dividend ETF, SDY. For investors seeking stable income and lower volatility, this fund provides exposure to companies with a proven track record of dividend growth. 5. iShares Core S&P Small Cap ETF, IJR. Small cap stocks often offer greater growth potential, and this fund provides diversified exposure to this segment of the market. 6. Xtrackers MSCI Emerging Markets ETF, XMEM. For investors seeking global diversification and exposure to high-growth regions, this fund offers a way to tap into the potential of emerging markets. 7. Invesco QQQ Trust, QQQ. This fund provides exposure to some of the most innovative and forward-thinking companies in the technology and consumer sectors. As you can see, these top index funds offer a diverse range of investment opportunities, catering to various risk appetites, growth goals, and investment horizons. By strategically combining these funds, you can create a well-rounded portfolio that aligns with your financial objectives and risk tolerance. But building wealth through index fund investing is not merely about selecting the right funds. It's about embracing a long-term mindset and cultivating the discipline required to stay the course. Investing is a marathon, not a sprint, and the true rewards come to those who remain patient and avoid making impulsive decisions based on short-term market fluctuations. One of the key advantages of index fund investing is the ability to harness the power of compounding returns. Regularly putting a set amount of money into investments, regardless of whether the market is up or down, allows you to capitalize on market movements and may reduce your average cost per share over time. Additionally, by reinvesting your dividends, you can accelerate the growth of your portfolio, allowing your returns to compound upon themselves over time. Imagine investing $10,000 in the Vanguard S&P 500 ETF, VOO, at the age of 25 and consistently contributing $500 per month. Assuming an average annual return of 7%, by the time you reach retirement age at 65, your portfolio could be worth a staggering $1.4 million. That's the power of compounding and consistency in action. While index funds offer a relatively low-risk approach to investing, it's crucial to remember that no investment is entirely without risk. Market fluctuations, economic conditions, and unforeseen events can all impact the performance of your portfolio. That's why diversification is key. By spreading your investments across various index funds, sectors, and asset classes, you can mitigate risk and ensure that your portfolio remains resilient in the face of market volatility. For example, combining a broad market fund like the Vanguard S&P 500 ETF with a sector-specific fund like the ARC Automation and Robotics ETF can provide exposure to both established companies and cutting-edge technologies, balancing growth potential with stability. Speaking of investing legends, it's impossible to discuss the merits of index fund investing without acknowledging the wisdom of Warren Buffett. The Oracle of Omaha has long championed the benefits of low-cost index funds, famously stating that a low-cost index fund is the most sensible equity investment for the great majority of investors. Buffett's philosophy revolves around simplicity, patience, and embracing the power of compound returns. By investing in index funds that track broad market indices, you're effectively following in the footsteps of one of the most successful investors of all time, benefiting from the collective growth of the companies that drive the global economy. Investing in these top index funds is not just about accumulating wealth, it's about shaping your future, creating financial freedom, and leaving a lasting legacy. Whether you're just starting your investment journey or looking to diversify your existing portfolio, these index funds offer a solid foundation for long-term growth and passive income. So, take action today. Conduct thorough research and develop a sound investment strategy that aligns with your goals and risk tolerance. Embrace the wisdom of Warren Buffett, adopt a long-term mindset, and let the power of compounding work in your favor. Remember, the path to financial freedom is paved with patience, discipline, and intelligent investing. Happy investing, and may your journey towards wealth be rewarding and fulfilling. You may also wish to check out our other video on how to earn dividend income from a $10,000 investment in the link above and in the description down below. If you enjoyed this video, do like and share this video so that more people will learn about these 7 amazing index funds. Check out this playlist of my top 10 videos for creating wealth, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care.